So, ang akong sweldo, i-dedicate para sa pagtukod o balay para sa mga residente. And so far, we have 23 na balay na nahatag ug daghan pa ang makabenepisyo niining programa ato lang makipag-ugnayan sa ato mga barangay kay hanggang ako po ang inyong mayor, marami pa po tayong bahay na maibibigay sa kanila. Ang atong multipurpose building sa Kamkoka, kini atong i-rehabilitate. Atong ganggo na kini nga pasilidad mag-suporta sa lain-laing community activities, providing a space for gatherings and events. And of course, this comes with a view of the Kamkoka Hills. Second, in our progress would be public services development. First would be the transportation support. The distribution of 21 multi-purpose vehicles made possible through the collaboration with the Office of Senator Sonny Angara, LGU Kandihay, and ang inyong mga barangay has enhanced the barangay operations and service delivery, ensuring faster and more efficient responses to our community needs. We have a new BFP fire truck. The new BFP fire truck, funded by our dear Senator also, has been provided to enhance local firefighting capabilities and ensure quicker responses to emergencies. We also have a new PNP patrol car. The national government provided a new patrol car to respective communities, Kandihay as one, boosting the mobility and response of Kandihay's police force for better public safety. On social welfare and community support, every Christmas na atay giandam nga mga Noche Buena food packs. It has become our tradition, Kandihay, nga kada Pasko tayo maghatag ng mga food packs across families diri sa Kandihay during the holiday season, bringing joy and festive Christmas celebration to each family in our community. Walang pamilya ang hindi pagsa-celebrate ng Pasko sa Kandihay. On tupad, our tulong pangkabuhayan sa ating disadvantaged and displaced workers, financial assistance amounting to more than 22 million pesos was provided to more than 5,000 beneficiaries through TUPAD programs funded by our friends from the Senate, Senators Coco Pimentel, Senator Joel Villanueva, and Senator Bongo, with the support of GOLE. This program offered temporary employment and vital income support to disadvantaged workers. And just recently, we received the grant from the Office of the President Financial Assistance. The Office of the President allocated 15 million and rehabilitation of our schools in Kandihay. Our then Senator Sonny Angara, who is now the Secretary of the Department of Education, has granted us 100 million for year 2024 to renovate all classrooms in Kandihay, creating safer and more conducive learning environments. Kini nga mga classroom, sukat pa ng bagyong Odette, karon atin ang ma-address ang mga kailangan for renovation, and we are very grateful nga bisan kini nga pondo, let me clarify, dili pa Secretary sa Department of Education si Senator